Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you install apps on BT YouView Box step-by-step streaming app setup. Step 1. Open the pre-installed apps menu. Press the home button, the blue button or the house icon on your BT remote control. Navigate across the main menu bar using your directional arrow keys. Highlight and select apps or featured apps or even players and apps. Browse the system list to locate your desired streaming service platform. Step 2. Push your manual software update. Open the settings menu by clicking the cog wheel icon at the top right of your home screen. Scroll down and choose Information and Reset from the system submenus. Select Software Information to see your current firmware status. Click See Update Players and Apps to manually force your YouView box to pull any missing applications from the Exchange network. Step 3. Refresh the network connection. Verify your broadband wire is securely plugged into the yellow LAN port on the back of your box. Avoid wireless interference by using a direct Ethernet cord rather than a weak Wi Fi signal. Reboot your main internet router if a selected streaming player throws a loading error code. Check the official YouView support portal to see if an individual application service is temporarily down for any maintenance. Step 4. Execute a maintenance mode cache clear. Turn off the power switch on the back panel of your BT YouView box. Hold the down arrow button on top of the physical box while flipping the power switch back on. Release the button when the system loads into the black maintenance mode screen. Select factory reset, that's for keeps recordings, to scrub corrupted app data cache without wiping your saved TV shows. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.